Difference between watts, amps, and volts. Watts, amps, and volts are fundamental electrical terms that describe different aspects of electricity but are closely related. Volts, V, measure the electrical potential difference or pressure that pushes electric charges through a conductor. Think of volts as the force that drives electricity, similar to water pressure in a pipe. Amps, A, short for amperes, measure the flow of electric current, how many electric charges pass through a point in a circuit per second. Amps are like the amount of water flowing through the pipe. Watts, W, measure the electrical power, which is the rate at which energy is used or produced. It is calculated by multiplying volts and amps. Watts equals volts times amps. In summary, volts are the pressure, amps are the current flow, and watts represent the total power used or produced in an electrical system. Understanding these helps in managing and safely using electrical devices. Thanks for watching. For more such informative videos, subscribe our channel and like the video.